Hey guys, welcome back. We're here at EB Speed and Custom. Car's looking amazing. Got Mr. Jimmy here. Tell us what's been happening, my friend.
We've been happening. We've got we've got everything up and going, running. We're doing the wiring on the cluster at this point. Trying to get some glass installed today. Everything's going great. Happy and about ready to get this baby wrapped up.
He says we're going to make it. I still think there's plenty of time for prayers, and
we're going to make it.
One way or another, we're going to make it.
We got drive shaft coming this week, so we're waiting to get it out and smoke tires.
I love it. Well, start this thing up. Let's see what it sounds like. Man, that sounds amazing. She is counting them off. That is exactly what we were looking for. But we've got a lot more work to go. We brought front windshield over today, and we're going to have to do a little more fit-finish adjustment. Sometimes life throws you a curveball. We're going to have to clean up the channel just a little bit more so she can have a little more breathing room. We're running out of time, but we're going to make it. We're confident. We'll keep you updated on the progress, and we're going to see you at the SEMA Show 2025.